Hello friends, in this video I will show how to fix Bootrec in Windows 11. You will see access is denied. So to resolve this problem, click on Start, search here CMD, right click on command prompt, run as administrator. Now here you need to type this command bootrec/nt60 space sys, then press enter. Now here type boot bootrec space / fixboot, then press enter. Hopefully guys this command will work and it will resolve problem. Thanks for watching, and if you have any query or questions, so comment on this method work for you or not.